What's up, everybody? Hope you guys can hear me. So there is a short trade right now. You can see one opportunity is this one. US30 might go down from here till here. Okay, this is the trade that I'm risking right now. In case I get stopped out, then my next trade will be shorting from this point to this point. Okay, in case I get stopped out, but I don't think I will. So let's see. I hope you guys can hear me. So this is the short trade that I'm entering right now. I will get out here. Okay, in case I get stopped out, I will get my entry again here after seeing any bearish structure on 1 minute or 3 minute or 5 minutes. But right now I am into this trade. Okay, I shorted here. I will take my profits around here. So let's see how it goes. There are not much trades today in the market, so I decided to trade the US30 only. There are not much opportunities there today. The market is a complete mess. Don't see any clear structures today, so this is the only structure that looked valid. Okay, in case I get stopped out, I will get an entry and my stop loss will be, let me check it out where my stop loss will be. Okay, so in case this trade goes against me and I get stopped out, then I will short here and my stop loss will be around here. So let's see if this trade goes in my favor. The reason I will get out at this point is because if it's bullish on higher time frame, then it can give a big pump from this point. So I hope we get this level first, and then if there is any up move, we can catch that. There is also a possibility of something like this, the price going up here and then getting rejected. Okay, this is the second possibility, but I'm into my shorts right now. From this point I will get out here. The market today is tricky. Like I saw most of the structures, there is not a valid structure on S100. There is no valid structure on the euro, because if you look at the euro and USD CAD, they move in opposite direction. But today I noticed they are going in the same direction, so the market is completely scammed today. So it's better to avoid it. But this US30 is the only structure that looks good. It will either go down from here, or if I get stopped out, then it might give a short rate from here. But we will look at this on smaller time frame, on the 1 minute at this point. So I hope I get a rejection from here and we will get out here. But let's see. It's Friday, so usually I avoid for trading on Friday. If you look at the structures today, they are completely scam structures. Even the opposite pairs are moving in the same direction. So on such day, it's better avoid trading. The reason I am giving you this trade is because this structure looks good to short here from this point, or you will see from this point. Even Nasdaq is its correlated pair, and they are not moving the same way. The market is a mess today. Yesterday we traded the CPI report. I don't know if you guys were there, but we nailed that trade. It got rejected from the point we were expecting. Trading is all about risk management. Like, I entered into this one and my stop loss is here, so I know it might bounce towards this point and then go down, but I can afford this loss, so that's why I enter into this now. If you can't afford any loss, then on that day you don't have to take such trade. You have to wait for this point, because both points looks good to short. Okay, and when two points that are close enough, then you have to wait for the upper point to short. Okay, if you can't afford any loss, like right now I can afford some loss. Okay, so and I didn't want to miss this opportunity, so I entered into this one. So it will either get rejected from here to this point, or if I get stopped out, then it will go towards this point. And then if we get any 1 minute bearish structure, it will go down towards this point. Now what will happen here? It will frame if we get any bullish structure on 1 minute, then it will give a unicorn pump from here. It will be a big pump. It will sweep these recent highs. Okay, it is called a unicorn model. So that's why I'm getting out here. The reason about the unicorn model is that you have to look at this for on higher time frame. If the higher time frame is bullish, then it will give you pump from this line. Okay, this is the New York midnight. So hi Rakesh. So it all depends on the higher time frame daily bias, higher time frame bias. If higher time frame bias is bullish, then the unicorn model will give you a pump from this point. If not, then it will get rejected from here and it will give another short opportunity to the downside and it will sweep these lows. But my higher time frame is a bit neutral, so I'm getting out here. And if we get any bullish structure, then we can long it and it will sweep the recent highs. I told you guys that I'm entering into a short trade here, but in case I get stopped out, then I will look for entries at this area. Okay, there is some resistance, but as I said earlier, I can afford some loss. So even if I miss this one and I get stopped out, it's okay for me. But there will be some guys who will be in loss. So if you are already in loss, then you can't afford such trades. You have to wait for better opportunities. Okay, it all depends on the risk management. Like, if I was in loss, I wouldn't have traded at this point. I would have waited for this point. Right now I am in profit because yesterday we traded CPI and it went well. So I got into my shorts position here and I will get out around this point. But if I were in loss from yesterday, then I wouldn't have entered into this. So this is all about the risk management, how you manage your risk. Market always gives opportunities. There are multiple opportunities in a single day. Okay, you can't say if you miss opportunity there will be another one. Okay, so better go with a small lot size. It will give you profits. Like, if you go with small lot size and 10 out of 6 or 4, even 4 trades going to profit, you will still be in profit. But with larger lot size, the thing is you get liquidated within one trade. So you won't be a trader, you will just be a gambler if you use higher lot sizes. Let's see if we get any rejection here. Well, it looks bearish. It should go down, but in case it goes up, I will look for short opportunities here. Again, for any new viewers, I short it here, okay, but there is still chance for the price to go up into this point, okay, and then it will get rejection if we get any smaller time frame uh, breakdown or a bear structure on 1 minute, okay. Then it might go down from this point to the New York midnight, okay. Now what will happen here at the New York midnight at this point? If the higher time frame bias is bullish, then it will get a good pump from here and will sweep the higher these highs, okay. And if your higher time frame bias is bearish, then this line will become the resistance and it will break down from there and it will go much lower and sweep these lows. So higher time frame bias is important, and today my higher time frame bias is a bit neutral, a bit on the bullish side, so that's why I will take my profits here in case the price goes down here, and then if I get any bullish structure I will get into my longs. So this is the plan for today. Now again I will say it's about risk management. If you are in loss, better wait for this point to short, okay. If you can manage some loss, okay, you can get, like, you can enter two trades, then one short opportunity is here, your stop loss will be here and you will take profits here. Go with smaller lot size. I always suggest smaller lot sizes, and I still expect rejection from here because there are some bearish breaker blocks on the 3 minute and 1 minute. So let's see how the 5 minutes look like. There's nothing important on the 5 minute. The structures are on the 3 minute and 1 minute. So let's see. It should give us a dump from this point to this point, okay, or in case I get stopped out, then it should give a short rate from this point to this point, okay. Yesterday we were live. In case you missed, you better watch it. We traded the CPI report and it was so on point, like it got rejected from the point I mentioned and then it pumped from the point I mentioned. Rakesh, I took this trade on the ICT Judas model, okay, but it can still go up towards this point and then go down, okay. Like in the Judas swing, you get this consolidation in the Asian kill zone, okay, then you get the sweep of the Asian kill zone, the sweep of the lows, like you can see here, this red box, okay, and then you get a fake pump which is called the Judas pump. It's so aggressive and it can still go up to this point, okay. Then you can expect a rejection and it will go down here. So I took it on the Judas swing. Then if we get any bullish structure on the 1 minute, it will become the unicorn model. Till this point it will be a Judas swing and then it will give a unicorn pump if we get bullish structure, of course. But this Judas swing is usually so aggressive, okay, and can give another leg up to this point. In that case I will get stopped out. I will look for short opportunities here, but I can manage this loss, so that's why I saw resistance here and I entered into my short trade. If you can't manage afford any loss, then better wait for this point and that will be a most probable short opportunity. If you still have any questions, you can ask me. I will answer this. Till I'm waiting for this trade. Let's see what it brings. The thing about trading on the live stream is that you are worried about your own trade, and also you are worried about your viewers. So it's kind of difficult, but I'm giving it a go. Yesterday it went well. We made a lot of money on our live stream. So let's see how it goes today. One aggressive candle and it will reach to our target. In case you don't know the timing, there from this point till this point, let me mark it, till 12 a.m. This is the Asian kill zone. Okay, I will write it here. So we got this consolidation in the Asian kill zone, and that's the reason I'm into this trade. So there was consolidation in the Asian kill zone. Then you can see the sweep of the Asian kill zone lows in the London kill zone, and the Judah swing is also in the London kill zone. This is the Judah swing move is usually a fake move, as ICT calls it, a fake move. So now that has happened, I'm expecting a move to the downside and go to the New York midnight. Now where is the New York midnight? The New York midnight is at this point. This is the New York midnight, so I will take my profits here in case I get stopped out, and in case I'm wrong, I will get into my shorts from here. I will look for into on smaller time frame like 1 minute, and then the price will go down here. There is an untested level here, so it can always go up there, but what I want is I want the price to go down to this point and then test that level. In case if it goes up first, then it will stop me out and I will become the liquidity. Still, if you have any questions, you can ask me. And this was the idea of how I took this trade. It's based on the Judah swing, and then if we get this move on smaller time frame, if we get any bullish structure around this area, around this line 37,680, then we can look for longs. Okay, still if I am wrong and I get stopped out and I become the liquidity, I will look for shorts at this point. As you can see, I have drawn this red line, so I will look for any bearish structure there for my shorts. There is one other structure I will show you. Let's see if it's still there. Yeah, this one. So it worked out. I was expecting a pump from here and has already pumped to that point. So it's no more a trade. We will focus on the US30. Seems like it wants to go up. In that case, it will go up towards this point, okay? If it goes up, it will go up to this point. I hope it doesn't go up and it give me this opportunity to get out here. But in case it goes up, it will go up to this point. Okay, so in case you are new to the stream, I took this short trade. Okay, I short it here, and as I said earlier, I won't suggest a trade for you or a short trade for you here if you are already in loss, because then you can't afford it, and better wait for this point. Okay, I took this trade because I can afford some loss and my stop loss is here. In case I get stopped out, I will get short entry here if I get any bearish structure on the 1 minute, and then I will take profits here. Okay, the reason I am shorting here is because there are some bearish structures, and I will get out at the at the New York midnight. This is the New York midnight, and then if there is a bull structure, you can expect some pump from this point. Seems like it wants to go up, so in case if it goes up, then we will look for short trades here. Okay, and that will be of much more probability, and the price can go down till this point. I still want it to go down from this point to this point, and then we'll look for any longs, but let's see. If it stops me out, then I will look for entry here. Okay, this is another bearish point, but the price should go down towards at least these Asian highs or this 12 AM lows. If it gets rejected from here, then I will take profits here. In case if it goes up here, then I will get out at these highs of the Asian kill zone. Okay, as I said earlier, this is a trade with less probability, so I'm risking it because I can afford some loss. I took it in my challenge account. I haven't passed it yet, but in my funded account, I will look for entry here. Okay, so it's all about your risk management, how you manage the risk. I can't take this trade both in my funded account and in my challenge account, so there has to be some hedging. Had this candle gone down, this one towards this one, then it would have been pretty good to short, but you can see it got pumped from here, so seems like it wants to pump to this point. In that point, if you get any bearish structure at 1 minute, it will be good to short. If you are new to the stream, you can ask for the logic of this trade, and what if I stopped out. Okay, again I got into short trades here in my short trade here. Okay, but it's of less probability, and I went into short from my challenge account. Okay, because I can afford some loss on that account, so in case it goes against me and I get stopped out, then I will look for short opportunity here, and that will be a trade with much more probability. If I get any bad structure there on a 1 minute, then I will short it and I will take profits. Then it will go down to this point, but let's see how it reacts at these points. It gives a dump, then I will get out here and look for any long entry. There is an untested level here, so that's why I'm of view that it might see this level 37,835. There is an untested fair value gap there. This close is good, so let's see where the price goes. I took this trade on the Judah swing strategy. This was the Judah swing move or the fake move. Okay, this is where people gets excited, and this is where the price moves in the opposite direction. Unicorn will be around here. If we get bullish structure around here, then it will give that unicorn entry. Okay, my battery is low. I can't live stream from my other phone which I use. I don't know how to live stream on the iPhone, so I'm using this one, and the battery isn't so good on this one. I will figure it out how to live stream on the iPhone, and then I will do live streams from that. We'll get out either at the Asian kill zone high, okay, or at this New York midnight. So this is my plan. Okay guys, so seems like it will reach the target. My battery is low, so I'm going off. Good luck guys. In case we get any bullish order blocks or breaker blocks in this area, it will give a unicorn entry and it will pump and sweep the highs. Okay, in case it don't give any bullish structure, then it will sweep the lows. Thank you guys. I hope you made some money today. This was a low probability short, but still it went well. Okay, thank you guys. And if you guys want to join my WhatsApp, I have shared my referral in the community post. If you buy a funded challenge on that referral, I will add you to my WhatsApp group and I will share regular trades. Thank you guys.